To give your child a lesson on apple slicing, you will need an apple slicer, a cutting board, a bowl for the sliced apples, another bowl for the cores of the apples to go into, a bowl with apples that are pre-sliced. This just makes it a little bit easier for your child to cut through, and a child-sized apron. To start this lesson, you'll first have your child go to the sink and wash their hands. They'll put on their apron and then they're ready to get started. They'll take one slice of the apple from the bowl and place it onto the cutting board. They'll line up the apple slicer over top and using two hands, push down into the apple. Once it's sliced the whole way through, you can show them how to push the sliced apples into the bowl and put the core into the smaller bowl. So they'll repeat this for all of the slices. Once all of the apples have been sliced, you can have your child clean up by loading the dishwasher or placing the dishes in the sink, and then they're ready to enjoy their snack.